Once upon a time, in a cozy seaside village, there lived a brave and adventurous cat named Captain Cat. With his little pirate hat and a shiny golden collar, Captain Cat was no ordinary feline. He was known far and wide for his daring voyages across the open sea on his ship, the perfect pirate, which he commanded with pride. Every day, Captain Cat would sail out into the ocean, returning with stories of incredible adventures that amazed the other animals in the village. One sunny morning, Captain Cat gathered his loyal crew of feline friends, Whiskers the navigator, Mittens the cook, and Pass the lookout. Together they set out on a new adventure, determined to find the legendary golden fish, said to grant any wish to the one who catch it. As the ship sailed away from the village, Captain Cat stood proudly at the helm, his tail flicking in excitement. Onward, mates, adventure awaits. He called. The sea was calm, the breeze gentle, and the ship glided smoothly through the waves. But the journey wouldn't be easy. After hours of sailing, the crew encountered their first challenge. A giant storm cloud appeared on the horizon. Dark skies and strong winds rocked the perfect pirate back and forth. Hold steady, crew, Captain Cat shouted. We are not giving up. With Whiskers guiding the way and Pass keeping watch for lightning, the team worked together to steer the ship out of danger. Finally, the storm passed and the sun broke through the clouds. Well done, everyone, said Captain Cat, his whiskers twitching with pride. But our adventure isn't over yet. Soon they reached the mysterious Isle of Shadows, a place rumored to be guarded by the fearsome sea hawks. As the ship approached the island, the sea hawks circled overhead, screeching loudly. Leave or be plundered, they warned. But Captain Cat was clever. We don't want to fight, he said calmly. We are here to share what we find. We'll give you half of the golden fish if you help us. The Sea Hawks, intrigued by the offer, agreed to let them pass and even offer their guidance through the island's tricky maze of caves. With the Sea Hawks' help, Captain Cat and his crew finally reached the secret lagoon where the golden fish lived. The fish shimmered in the water, glowing gold under the sunlight. Only the bravest of hearts can capture me, said the golden fish in a soft voice. Captain Cat didn't hesitate. He stepped forward, his heart full of courage, and asked, Will you come with us? We seek your wisdom and wish to share it with all the animals of our village. Impressed by Captain Cat's bravery and kindness, the golden fish agreed to be caught. I will grant you one wish, it said. Captain Cat threw for a moment and then wished for peace and adventure for all the animals of the village. With the golden fish's blessing, Captain Cat and his crew returned to their ship, their hearts full of joy and their spirits high. As they sailed back to the village, they knew they had not only found a treasure but had also made new friends in the Sea Hawks. From that day on, Captain Cat became even more famous, not just for his courage but for his wisdom and kindness. His adventures continue, and every time he returned from the sea, the animals gathered around to hear tales of his daring and his great heart. And so, Captain Cat's legend lived on, reminding everyone that true adventure lies not in riches but in friendship, bravery, and the willingness to help others. The moral of this story: true bravery is about kindness and teamwork, and the greatest treasure is the friends you make along the way.